Hello lovers of short hair, you are welcome to another interesting one from Wendy Styles. So, you've heard the story of Louisa, and here is the part 2 because you wanted it, okay? And the lesson to take home is, don't be like her. Learn the lessons of how to take care of your hair. Bye. Later that week, Louisa visited an old friend, Miriam, a calm, no-nonsense woman who had always worn her hair very short in a very simple and elegant way. Not too much, brouhaha, not too much products on her. So Louisa couldn't help but notice something about Miriam's hair. So she said, "Miriam, your hair looks healthy. What are you using?" Miriam smiled. "Not much." Louisa blinked. "What do you mean, not much?" Now, hear what Miriam said. "I stick to one routine, one product. Alright? Sometimes just water and natural oils. I don't confuse my hair." Now, at this point, Louisa laughed softly. "Confused your hair?" "Yes," Miriam said. "Too many products is not good for your hair. Your hair does not know which one and how to respond to it. You are feeding it everything but nourishing nothing." That word from Miriam hit Louisa very deeply. So that night, Louisa went home and looked at her counter again. All those collections, all those bottles, everything. She had every kind of hair products, but there were no results. For the first time, she didn't feel hopeful looking at them. She felt overwhelmed. So she did something. She cleared the entire counter, removing everything, leaving just the basics like a gentle cleanser, a moisturizer, and a natural oil. That was it for her. Now, the first weeks felt strange. She didn't use any other product, just few little things, just consistency. At first, her hair didn't change much, but little by little, the hair began to respond. There were now less breakage. The hair was always breaking, but now the softer texture is back. There is now a healthier scalp. Now, this is the kind of result Louisa was looking forward to. Louisa also made another decision. She said, "Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to clear off the old hair." So she did cut her hair. A short, clean, natural hairstyle. Now that is easy to manage and easy to love. And as she looked at herself again at the mirror, she looked deep this time around. She knew something has shifted. Her hair wasn't perfect, but this is how she's looking now. It was healing. It was becoming better. See, months after months, okay, to just cut a long story short, months after months, what happened to Louisa's hair is that her hair started growing. Remember she cut it low. So it started growing from the down part again. This time what was growing was not all those products filled hair, but now a healthier hair. So gradually, Louisa returned to a healthier hair by one single trick. Less is always more. Do not pack too many products on your hair. And I'm telling you the truth. So one thing is this. Let's bring the sweet part of the story. So one afternoon, Louisa ran into some group of women, women in their 50s, and they were talking about their own hair struggles. Then when Louisa walked in, they saw how beautiful her hair looked. So they asked her, "What are you using now?" Because they noticed the story before. "What are you using now?" One of them asked eagerly. Louisa smiled, and then she said, "Less is what I'm using." By the way, we're like, "What do you mean by less?" She said, less is more. It's working better than everything I used to use before. Less. So there is a lesson in the story. The women have grabbed it already. The women were in our age group, 50 years old. And so they learned one thing, that the answer is simply being simple. Simplicity is the best. Less is always more. Stop disturbing your hair with a lot of things. I hope this story has been able to pass one or two meaning to in all of you. Till we come your way again in another of our video, keep it locked to this channel. Bye.
Not for them, I choose peace again.